Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel. Welcome back to our next video. Now I know people will come and say, yo Jnel, now you say you quit YouTube. Now you say you not upload no more. Now you say you're done with this. Now you say you're done with that. But here are no people. You see, if you do YouTube, you take a whole heap. Now I know there's a lot of people that gonna say YouTube is not a real job. YouTube is this, YouTube is not that, YouTube is blah blah blah, perhaps not. But big man thing people, YouTube is a handful. You see, if you don't have time, you can't do YouTube. Seem like so when you have work and you don't have time for do this and you don't have time for do that. If you don't have time for the YouTube, you get. So basically what I say is that I don't post say I quit YouTube and stuff like that. But trust me people, I go through a lot. You see me, no. Trust me people, no. Tongue twister. Trust me people,
What up my youth?
Trust me people, you guys don't know, what I'm going through. Is me on a regular basis, what I'm going through in this YouTube world. You get to me and say what I'm going through in a day-to-day life. You get to me and say, so it's not because me one of the big YouTuber them. But we are the hype. No, I'm not hype brother. I just say because the numbers did it. Oh, so basically I say your numbers up, so you're the biggest thing, you're the top man. No brother, I'm not say that, I just say the number did it. So people, tell him when I talk. You must know when I talk. Just tell him. Oh, for real, me get what I say. So basically, me one of the big YouTuber. So basically, me one of the big YouTuber them in Jamaica. You get me? I say big YouTuber veteran, meaning we start this thing long time. You see me from before YouTube was a thing in Jamaica. You understand? So with all that said, I've done some thinking, about putting out some more content and stuff like that. You get to me, I say, no, I want to be versatile. You get to me, I say, I don't want to just put out one type of content. And from what I notice is that, most of the people on this channel, they subscribe just to watch 3 questions. You get me? But to be honest, I'm a content creator. You understand? I'm going to end up creating other content. You get to me, I say, and I'll still, I still look for the support from you guys to support me same way. You get to me, I say, so not because I'm a 3 question, that means say, if you watch a video or drop a like and stuff like that. You get to me, I say, I can't do one thing alone, because if I do one thing alone, I gotta end up can't do nothing at all. Meaning, I gotta do one thing and the one thing not gonna last forever. You get to me? I say, so last night, so with all that said, just gonna move on to. So with all that, is this a YouTube not easy? This a YouTube not easy. I gotta make sure put in them mistake there so you can see it. You get to me? I say. So with all that said, you don't know we're gonna move on to the video, which is my post yesterday and this morning. So I gotta do a Q&A and people I get a couple message. Couple, response say, yo, yeah man, shut the Q&A. I don't want to say people, me's a man where you see anytime I look out a door, when I dey in my yard I look out a door, and I see like somebody look a certain place and stuff like that, I'm always skeptic to work. What's going on? Yeah. So people, we're gonna move on to the Q&A now and see what go on and hear the question and answer your question. The first question is, right, what happened to your Jnel studio? Alright, so I don't know if most of you guys familiar with the Jamaican Strive video, these type of videos.
So I just must taste it, right? I'm nervous. Tastes like medicine or something. I don't know, this tastes like elderly, like one golden age home.
I don't know if you guys are familiar with them video there. You understand? And those videos were shot in my room. Well, at the time it wasn't my room. You see me, the property where I live on, I have a little part around at the back where I just want one room. I have to walk out. I literally have to come out of my room, if we walk through one little like veranda like, for going to the bathroom. You get me? I say, and at that time I wasn't paying any rent. You get me? So I just catch on my auntie place. You get me? I say, as me that say, I have a studio in the place because my auntie have a room where she never use. So I say in the meantime I gotta just build a studio and do some video and stuff like that. So basically now, remember me there on the back, right? So I move around at the back now and in the area where the studio is. So in the area where the studio used to be, that is now my room. You get me? So with the Jnel studio, that's how I go into the Jnel studio. I swear, I wish me they have some family, we have some property where we can just, go there and them go on a foreign and we can just make some video. You get me? I say, but with all that said, there's no studio again. There's no studio. So we just have to go just try to create some content differently. Next question. Jnel comedy. Kisha is pregnant for Jordan Lewis. Kisha not dirty stink. Kishaya is pregnant for Jordan Lewis. Big man thing. I don't know who the person you talk about. I don't know who them I talk about. Kishaya, you're wrong for that. Every child is a blessing. Blessing. Every child is a blessing, but you're wrong for that. Whosoever you be. Kishaya. I don't know. Yeah. So I'm going to go on to the next question now. Alright. The next one is I love you, baby. Listen. I'm taken. You're deaf? I joke. People, you know, that one was by my, you know, that people, I'm my girlfriend saying that one, you know, love you too, babes. You know that. You know have to ask. You get me, I say? The relationship we have, it's go strong like Razorblade and Yanja. And Gia and Ken. And Nikki and Klein. Yeah, so I love you too, babes. You don't know anything. To you. When I say bad man no kiss, I have to kiss my woman. So if you don't want to say bad man no kiss, I have no problem. Alright, next question say when is the next video dropping? The next video I drop no. Cause I watch right now. You see me? So the next video I drop no. Just drop and I eat and watch right now. Yeah, so move to the next question. Messi or Ronaldo? Big man thing, I'm not a football fan. You get me? I say, well, I used to be a football fan because I used to play FIFA. I used to play PES. A PES? P-E-S? I don't know if you don't know what I talk about. PES are something, I basically FIFA but a PES. If you know what I mean. You see me? So I used to play PES and stuff like that. Back then I did, you know, into football. But now I'm not really into it like, you know, like one time. But Messi or Ronaldo? Big man thing, I have to go say Mesaldo. A joke. Messi. I have to go say Messi because Messi a big baller. Alright, next question. Worst thing you ever experienced? The worst thing I ever experienced? It hard to really think about something like that. But the worst thing I ever experienced is when the hardware called police for me and Buhn, and police stick we up out of the door of the hardware and stick we up and ask about the business, this and that and blah blah blah, when it was just 2 days, you know, trying to get some hardware materials, some board and stuff like that. You see me? So that I'm gonna call it the worst, but people big man thing, I go through a lot in my life, you understand, with suffering and all that in the ghetto and stuff like that, but I'm not really look upon that as the worst because a lot of people I go through it, you get what I say? A lot of people know how to cope through them situation there. But honestly I don't know if I answer that question, but that was one of the worst thing where, you know, ever happened to me. One of my worst experience. You see me? So the next question, when we get more trick question. Speaking of trick questions, for all of the people who might think we can do trick question forever, honestly I can't do it forever. But however, I'm planning to do more trick question. As long as I can do trick question, I go do it. You get what I say? You know what I mean, right? As long as I can do trick question, people, I go do it. You understand? Because, you know, I bring the revenue, you get me, I bring the views and stuff like that. But I want to be versatile, you know? I want to be putting out more contents. I want to have more than one YouTube channels. I want to have a gaming channel. I want to do this, I want to do that. You get me? And trick question only really limit me to doing one thing. You understand? It now really show my creativeness. You get what I say? But with all that said, I still get more trick question, more on myself, people. I go do it when I can do it. You understand? Because trust me, it's not easy. Plus, it's expensive. And seeming that me as somebody where like can drive now and stuff like that, it's even more expensive. And seeming that there's a pandemic going around and you have a youth on the way, me even too want to go on the public bus them and say, alright, I try to save some money. You get what I say? So we not get more trick question, but people, big man thing, I know that alone more focus on some other content too. Because I want you guys to like enjoy everything I'm do. You understand? I'm a content creator. You get what I say? I go create content. But not just one type of content, if you know what I mean. Yeah. So big up all who love the trick question, and I love them honestly. I don't know who don't love trick question. Who don't love trick question? I love them. You see me? So with all that said, next question. Let's see what I go on. When the baby are born? The baby born already? See the baby right side of me? Eh? Baby? Dada love you, yeah? Yes. You're the best dada. A joke. Baby no born yet, but I'm not really disclose when I'm born. You understand? Because when it comes to, you know, having a child and stuff like that, a lot of people wants to keep things like, you know, private. A lot of people don't want, you know, talk too much things. You understand? I just want you know, me look at youth coming out the world, you know, arrive safe, the mother safe, everything good, and then me update you guys man like any other thing, you know, we have to do with him and stuff like that. You understand? So yeah. Next question. How did you start YouTube? My name? Well, it can't cool down now, so I'm gonna lock it off. Yeah, that's supposed to sound better. I don't know how it sounds, but probably sound better. So how did you start YouTube? Big man thing, my name. No, I know you say Jnel, tap chat foolishness, how it should be your name. That don't make no sense. Blah blah blah. This and that. But big man thing, I'm my name. You see me? Alright, I don't know if most of you know, but my name is Junior Nelson. One of the most common names. Somebody could have out a door talk about junior high school, and I think I made them talk about. You get what I say? So junior, it kind of common to the point where I say, you know, I need one of them nice name there. You get what I say? Because junior too dead. I feel like I never get a girl them time there because my name Junior. You understand? Now when I go to school, she said the youth when name O'Neal and Shaquille and you know and Brian and you know all them name them I think say them that get the woman them because of them name. You get what I say? Somebody did say to myself, say, yo, I want a different name for people call me by. So I say, I call myself Jnel, but Jnel never make no sense. You get what I say? Somebody just say, alright, yo, I take off one of the L name and take off one of the Y because I want L in my last name and a Y in my last name. You see me? Somebody just say Jnel. And I start my name, I give myself the name and, you know, and me alone, when I notice I'm me alone, I call myself so. You see me, like nobody not call me Jnel unless me say Jnel. Me do around my friend them, nobody not say Jnel. And me have to say Jnel. And me have to say, and then me have to answer and say, yo, what go on? And then me have to say, brother, you talk to yourself, bro. What are you doing? You see me? So the name never stick. You understand? So I say, I'm gonna do something to make it stick. So I start the video. Start the YouTube. And basically I start off YouTube as fun. You know, never know it's gonna be like a career thing where, you know, it'll provide this, it'll provide that, it'll make this, it'll make that go on. You get me? I say, so big up YouTube, even though it coming with a lot of challenges and stuff like that. You understand? But that's how we start YouTube. You know, everybody's story different. Mine kinda weird as but I'll just say go. You see me? Next one. Yes. Yes. So me have to answer yes. Alright, so this question says yes. So me have to answer and say yes. I don't know if it's a mistake and stuff like that, but the person just say yes, so I don't know. You see me? So I move on to the next question. The next question, are you happy that you are going to be a father? Of course. Bro, imagine a Jnel Jr. Imagine a Jnel Jr. Imagine a little Jnel. Imagine me have my son. Imagine me can hold my son. You get me? I say, imagine me can give my son a life what I never have. Cause me know for sure say when my youth born, I'm not gonna spoil him. You understand? Cause you don't know I'm a very strict, you know, person when it come on to certain things. You understand? When it come on to doing the right things and stuff like that. But I'm not gonna be too hard, you know, for my child. You understand? I make him get exposure to certain things where, you know, a lot of people lock them children from, meaning that if you go out and stuff like that, I'm gonna make him get some time for go out and time for do this and time for book and time for them things there. You see me? I believe that are the right way if you raise a pitney. You see me? If you raise a pitney inside and lock them up, trust me, them are go just bad. You understand? Not all of them still, but you know get what I say. And if you give a pitney time for like do this, time for do that stuff and stuff like that, you can't just lock up pitney in the house like you get what I say? Yeah. So of course I'm happy, bro. I'm overwhelmed. Like I know I can't believe say, you know, actually having a son on the way. You see me? But to me, a child is a blessing. Blessing. A child is a blessing. You don't know, and you know, to that child, you know, I'm going to be the best father in the world. You understand? And I know that for a fact because I know me. You understand? And I know I never grew up. You know, I get a lot of things. I never grew up, I see a lot of things. Basically, I grew up in a poverty. You understand? Board house, zinc fence, all of them something there. You see me? If you don't want to go check out the video, you can click up here, so. In one of them corner, yeah, you're gonna see the video come up, you see me? That's up on my next channel, which is Jnel for real. So if you don't know what to say, when I touch on a topic a while ago, my mood kind of change. Is because I'm gone to the father mood. You understand? So I go back into the YouTube now and you know get the vibes back up. Isn't me? Go back into the YouTube now. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so that one I say who what motivates you. Who/what motivates you. Big man thing, a life motivate me. You understand? When I go through motivate me. You understand? When I want in a life motivate me. Big man thing, my answer not gonna be like everybody else's answer, but that motivate me. When I come from how I grow, you get to me and say where my mindset be, where my mindset is at right now. You get to me and say where I want to be, you know, a couple of years from now. You understand? And know that, you know, I have a child on the way, you know, that really motivate me. And to tell you the truth, you know, I know a lot of men now go give them woman credits to motivate them and, you know, push them to do certain things, but my woman definitely should do that. You get me? I say she actually motivate me. You get me? I say even by being pregnant for me, she motivate me for that. So a lot of people get, you know, motivations from whole heap of different other ways. You understand? But you know, me get my motivation from what I just explained a while ago. And one more thing, my fans motivate me. You guys motivate me to do more. You guys motivate me to go harder. You guys motivate me to do a lot of things. You get me? I say? So big up on yourself. Love each and every one. I know. I wish you guys could just drop a like for this video right now. Love you guys, you know. Love the support. Why this sound like the end of the video? I know the end of the video, peeps. But now forward. Next question. I thought you were leaving YouTube. Game playing for views. That unsubscribed. Hold on. I thought you were leaving YouTube. Game playing for views. Unsubscribe. Now, that person sound like somebody will never watch the video to the end, or them just never watch a video, or them watch a video and just nonsense. Why I say that? Because in the video I said I'm thinking about quitting YouTube, right? Me say I'm not sure yet if me I gonna do it. You understand? But I would like you guys to, you know, motivate me and push me to continue to do it. You get me? So I don't understand. I thought you were leaving YouTube. Game playing for views. Unsubscribe. Bro, people like this just weird. Just weird. You see me? I'm not gonna really talk too much because I don't know. Yeah. But in here I get dark, man. I'm gonna crack the window. I'm gonna crack the window a little bit. In here I get dark. Yeah, that look better, don't? That give me a cinematic type of look. Yeah, with the light over your sun, a piece of light there right your sun. Hold on. Yeah, you know the vibe. If you know about cinematic things, you know the vibe. Big up Claude A. Watkins. Alright, so this is the last question, right? Oh, create a channel for gaming. Create a different channel for gaming. Big man thing, I'm not a game person. I don't even have game on my phone. You see me, my little brother have a game in our house and I never play it. I don't know, I'm just not into game like that. But if I should create a game channel, like if this is say yeah, it's substantial, you know, it do something, it actually work certain way. Well, I see it from other YouTubers where, you know, they have gaming channel and them are one of the richest YouTubers and stuff like that. But I'm not gonna do it for the riches, I'm gonna do it because I love it. You understand? So if I start out by starting a game channel and enter work, then I will stick with it. You see me? But you know, I just say go. So the next question, gaming vids please bro. So I really have to go start do some gaming. You want to buy more Xbox? Or on PS5? I know my chest high, but PS5 or Xbox? You want to buy more one? You want to send more one? Eh? Just leave it in the comments. Me send them information. You just send it to me. Let me start a gaming channel. Yeah. Alright, next question. When you get when you get serious about the short films, cause you're ready. Big man thing, me serious about the short film them, you know. Like me literally serious about them. You understand? But that okay just a pass. Yeah, as me I said, I'm serious about the short film, you know. But I don't know, me is a man where, you know, me is a perfectionist. You get what I say? And I feel like it a create me, it a push me, it a make me lapse certain way. Meaning that the things that I have can use, but is it true me a like production wise, I want it to be like the greatest audio, the greatest video and stuff like that. And I'm this close, you know, for reaching my goal. You understand? I don't want to break my meds and say, here, I go just do it. And then I go say, shit, I should have wait till this, or I should have wait till that and stuff like that. You get what I say? But short films are going to come, people. No worry on yourself. You understand? Me and Claude A. Watkis, you know, I do some talking, and well, we don't really talk much about it yet, but you don't know. We are going to go to the drawing board, you know, write up the script them and stuff like that, get the actors them, easy me and stuff like that. Yeah, so soon and very soon, we are going to work on that, people. Big man thing. Alright, so the last question now. You're such an idiot. Why when you put up video with your girlfriend, you hide her face? Are you ashamed of her? Bro, listen. Let me talk to someone when I understand. Where, come on notice, you know, I put up the video with she night and blur her face. I notice that 1 and 2 people are comment like, why you do that, why you this, why you that. Bro, it's my woman. You understand? She don't want it in the media. She don't want the fame. She just want to live a simple life, bro. You get me? I say, if you see me and her up on the road, you're not going to see me and her up on the road and I'm going to set some fling and blur over her face. You get me? I say? But if me I make video and the video go out there, well, might as well, because at the end of the day, you know, you see when you have a relationship, it's when you're in the public eyes, like meaning that in the public eyes, you understand, you have a relationship. You see, as soon as somebody see that person when you deal with, them try find a way if you find them, and when them find them, they're going to bring up things about the past. They're going to bring up things where them think you're going to do in the future. They're going to bring up things where them think you don't know. They're going to bring up this. They're going to bring up that. They're going to want anywhere them see the person. They're going to want to say this. They're going to want to say that. They get to me and say, what me I do? I try make my relationship last without social media. You get to me and say, because with social media can end the relationship in like a drippy. You get to me and say, so I try if I not go that route. I try if I go the route where, you know, people been not go before there was this YouTube and social media shit. You get me I say? With all that said, the public thing should not into it. You understand? So nobody going like you want to come say, oh, why me I do it? Why you this? Why you that? Bro, I know one person make the decision. A 2 person. Me and her. You understand? So if you have a problem with me blurring her face, I can't help her, bro. But she don't want the spotlight. You understand? Where she's pregnant, she don't want the body to come, you know? Yeah. Oh. You see me? No, the place get dark now. Hold on. Why don't we not come more? You know, I'm gonna end the video right here. You know, thank you guys for watching. You know, big up to everybody we're sending a message. You know, love you guys. Big up on yourself. Hit the like button. You done your boy Jnel, and I'm out. And you know, yeah, big up on yourself. Enough love, enough respect. And whoa, one more thing. Subscribe to my new channel where I do pranks and stuff like that. Well, I just one prank up on it, plus some other videos. But I do a video where I prank my mother. I do the scholarship prank. You see me? So if you want to check it out, go over to this channel right here and check it out. You done your boy Jnel, and I'm out. Watch the next video. Subscribe to my next channel, Jnel for real. I'm out.